Today, I will take you to look at the production and manufacturing process of the inclinometer. After detailed product research, we entered the R&D stage, starting with simulation experiments and software development to ensure product stability and efficiency. Next, our circuit board design and hardware solution creation are key links in our process. We will conduct a detailed analysis of each function to ensure the best effect. In the production process, we use advanced equipment including board feeders, printing machines, transplanters, high-speed placement machines, multifunctional general-purpose machines, double-track reflow furnaces, etc., to ensure that each link is precise and in place to ensure the high quality of the products. After production is complete, we enter a rigorous calibration phase. We use a high-precision turntable for angle calibration, test bias stability in a non-magnetic environment, and incorporate temperature, cycling compensation, and a dynamic simulation platform to thoroughly verify product performance in various environments, ensuring that each inclinometer operates stably in complex working conditions. Inclinometer can be used as vertical tilt detector for rotary, drilling pile driver. Choose Micromagic Ink and you will get a product with high cost performance. The following is our website, memsmag.com.